level. Bring your shovel if you want smoke. Who do it better? Diamonds wetter. See it, let me know.
What is up? What it do? Welcome back to my channel, boo. And hi, if you are new, it's Love My Leah here, back with another hair tutorial video. So for today's video, I will be doing a long middle part slick back curly ponytail. You heard it right here, you guys. So as you can see, I am struggling with getting this middle part. The products and hair utensils that I will be using today is mileyhao leave-in conditioner, argan oil, Eco Style, a detangling brush, a comb, and a hard bristle brush. So I am applying my mileyhao leave-in conditioner and my argan oil while I detangle my hair into sections, because you know on this channel we work in sections, period. And while I do that, I am using my Eco Style to slick back my hair. I am also using Got To Be spray because your girl hair is super thick and I need this long middle part curly ponytail to be slick, okay? Y'all, it literally took me 3 tries to get my hair to a ponytail because it just would not slick down the way I wanted it to. So this is me checking in the mirror, making sure it's slick enough so I can move on and add my ponytail. Now I am braiding my hair into one braid in order to make a bun, and then after I make that bun, I will be ready to apply my ponytail. Now I am going to be taking my tracks and wrapping it around my bun, and also using a bobby pin in order to hold the tracks into place wherever I need it to stay. I am taking a piece of hair and also using my Lottie Body mousse to wrap around my ponytail so you will not be able to see the tracks. And your girl got a slick back ponytail. Haha. also added gold string to give it a little bedazzle. And yeah, this is my long middle part slick curly ponytail. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button to see more of me. Bye, you guys. Love you so much. Lovely out.